Hey guys, how are you doing today? I am coming to you from an amazing boutique hotel here in San Pancho. I'm literally in the middle of the jungle here. I cannot wait to show this place to you. I'm at a boutique hotel called Ocho Experience. This place has a total of 10 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. The asking price is $1,880,000 US. But one of the reasons I wanted to feature this is because the owner is open to doing 50% financing. Wait until you see this. It is literally like a boho chic place. They've done totally renovations. One of the buildings here is completely brand new. You've got 2 different yoga studios here. There's a gourmet kitchen. There is a bio pool. There's a jacuzzi. You have a palapa that is a yoga studio. So this could be actually run as the existing business that they have here because the price of the sales price comes with the entire business as it is. You could take the business and turn it into something different if you wanted to. This would make an amazing place for like yoga retreats, for any different kind of retreats, because you're going to see this place just goes on and on and on. You've got lots of different sections here. There's like a really little lounge area. All of the bedrooms have ensuite baths. There's 3 different kitchenettes here. So I can keep talking and talking and talking, but come and check this place out. So, you know, I always like to give you guys a view of what everything looks like, 360-degree view from the outside. This is the entrance of Ocho Experience. This is the private parking, and you're really just up this winding little gravel street here in the middle of the jungle. Wait until you get inside, guys. I'm literally freaking out. This place is like, looks like nothing from the outside, and then you get in and it just goes on and on and on. So let's get to it. All right, so as you enter in, you'll come down a slight set of stairs, and off to the left-hand side, you have the first 2 units here. Each one of these units has a little kitchenette at the end. You'll see this is newly renovated. This is so cute. I absolutely love the boho style that they have going on here. You've got a safe, kind of everything that you would need to have your guest in what am I trying to say? They're completely comfortable, everything that you might need here. I love that this is all renovated. It's rustic, but it's really cute. So you've got 1 unit here, little relaxing area, and all you're hearing right now are just the jungle sounds. You hear birds chirping. That's the little kitchenette here that you have at the end. So there's 3 kitchenettes. These first 2 units are going to share the kitchenette outside, and this is just total tranquility here. This is a place that you want to come and just disconnect. Would be great for yoga retreats. You can keep this as an existing business. Everything that you see is for sale. The business, the website, all the staff comes with this place, or you can turn it into something completely different. All right, let's go continue to check out the rest of the property. Okay, so you are into the jungle. All of these retaining walls are brand new. They recently put them in, and they have lots of different fruit trees all around. Guys, wait until I'm gonna show you this 2-bedroom. It is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Perfect for families. If you've got, you know, maybe a couple of couples that wanna come down and stay. So you're literally going to pop up these stairs and into Ere. This is the name of this cute unit. So this is a 2-bedroom. So you come in, off to the right-hand side, there's a nice bathroom here. I love the tile ceiling, the concrete bath with the stone on the bottom. It's very like boho rustic here. And then you pop through, so you have a 2-bedroom. So this would be great if you've got a family that came, or like I said, you have maybe a couple different sets of friends that wanted to come. I just love the design. And off of the patio here, you're just overlooking jungle everywhere you turn, and you have a nice hammock. Right, we're gonna pop down to another unit now. 7 units in total here with 10 bathrooms. Every room has an ensuite bath. This property just goes on and on, and it's so beautiful. All right, guys, let's pop down to see another unit.
Okay.
Okay, so you will come down the hallway. This is super cute here. They have like an outdoor dining area right on top of another one of the buildings. The building that it's on top of is brand new. This was a building that was existing, and we're actually gonna pop down and see one of the units here. This is actually the owner. She's super cute. I love her design here. She's in here getting a little work done, but check out this space. So you have king size bed in here, little workstation. There is a kitchenette set up in here. Come into the bathroom, bathtub, washer dryer combo, double sink vanity, and pop out. You'll see right next door there is the kitchen. And you just feel like you're at home here because of the design. Everything just feels so comfortable. Like you totally get that you are in a Mexican jungle here. I love how she has used so much of like new stuff with the old Mexican charm. I love the vibe that's here, guys. You would absolutely love this place. And you are overlooking the river, and you can see an equestrian field there. I don't know if you guys can see. Got some horses out there. So imagine your guests are waking up, having breakfast, having lunch, having dinner here. You've got an ample kitchen, everything that you would need. It's got the high ceilings with the wooden beams and the artisan brick details here. Absolutely wonderful. Even I love the details of the doors. I mean, this place has so much charm. It's little details in every little corner that you look at. So as you pop down the stairs, this whole entire building here is all brand new, and this is the spa services section. So this is where your guests can come in and enjoy a nice massage. There's actually 2 separate massage rooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom, a half bath in between. So you've got screens on the door, or excuse me, on the windows here, so it's nice, relaxing. Can come in here and get a nice massage. This is the half bath. And it just leads you into the second massage room. If you didn't want to keep this as a massage room, clearly you could see you've got enough space here for a twin size bed, and these could just be little extra little suites that you could rent out. And it just pops back into the back. I'm going to show you now. This is the common area laundry for the staff. It's just like a little storage bodega here with laundry machines and storage. All right, this is the never-ending property. We are going to go down now into another one of the rooms here. Ceiling fans. I love this archway you can see here. This is like the wooden beams with the great metal details in the doors. This is my favorite kind of place where you just have so much detail. Literally every little section that you're looking at is another cute detail. Very comfortable, very chic here. You definitely feel like you are in the middle of the jungle here in San Pancho, away from everything. You can totally come here and disconnect. All you hear are the birds chirping outside and the jungle sounds of the insects and stuff out there. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Loving it so far. So as you're popping down the stairs, there is a common area bathroom here. The room, they have it set up right now as a caretaker room right next door. But again, it could totally be used as another rentable space if you wanted to. Nice big tall ceilings in here. This is another space that has a kitchenette in it. Peace and tranquility when you are here. Literally, that is just all you are thinking about, is just being disconnected from everything, being one with nature. You can see how gorgeous this place is here. It's so green, so lush. Nice little zen pond over here. Overlooking the river. So this would be a perfect place to come down here, do some yoga. If you're into the new moon ceremonies, I can see my girlfriends coming out here and having a great ceremony out here. Getting into some retreats. Definitely a lot of space, very comfortable. One of these buildings, this one right here, is a brand new building. Everything looks like it's been really well maintained. So one of the things that I didn't tell you about a few seconds ago was that this is actually a bio pool. So this is all natural. There's no chemicals in here. You can totally put some fish in here if you wanted to. And off of the pool, you have what is going to be a jacuzzi. So you have hot water and cold water. And then underneath this beautiful palapa, you have a whole yoga studio with screens so that you don't have to worry about any mosquitoes bothering you while you're in here doing some yoga. But this is just the perfect place to come, have some great music, get into some yoga, get into some Pilates. I mean, they've done an amazing job here. If this looks good to you guys in video, you have to come and take a look at this in person, because it's literally a million times better if you're here in real life and can actually experience the energy here. It's great. Okay, so now that you guys have had a chance to see how amazing this property is, you have to come and see this in person. I'm telling you right now, just the vibe and the tranquility that this place brings. I've only been here for a short amount of time, and already like I can feel the stress has just like melted off of me, almost like how I feel whenever I'm at the beach. But so you're in the middle of the jungle. It's completely tranquil. Let's do a little recap of everything. So the asking price is $1,850,000 US. The owner is open to 50% financing. You have a total of 10 bathrooms here, 10 bedrooms with 7 bathrooms. There's a gourmet kitchen here. You've got the yoga studio. You have the bio pool. There's the jacuzzi. You have 3 kitchenettes. Some lounge areas. This place has 2 different spa services rooms. It just keeps going on and on and on. So if you want to know more information about this property, look down below. You can see the link that has all the information, how you can get in contact with me if you want to do an in-person showing, a personal showing, or just know any more detail. All my contact information is there. Don't forget to click like and subscribe so you can see more properties that are available here in Vallarta and the surrounding areas. I shoot about 2 to 3 properties a week of properties that are available for purchase, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will catch you at the next one. Bye guys, peace.